All right, example 2, the Golden Gate Bridge, a suspension bridge, spans the entrance to San Francisco. Its 746-foot tall towers are 4,200 feet apart. The bridge is suspended from two huge cables, more than 3 feet in diameter. The 90-foot wide roadway is 220 feet above water. The cables are parabolic in shape and touch the road surface at the center of the bridge. Find the height of the cable at a distance of 1,000 feet from the center. So I'm just going to highlight what we need to find. And I'm going to cross out stuff that is not important for this question. We don't care how thick, okay? We don't care how thick the diameter of the ropes are. We do not care how wide the roadways are. And so, okay, we have this quadratic, aka parabolic shape of the cable. So I'm going to make these right here in terms of the x and y coordinate. We have 2 points. If it is 2,200 feet apart, so if we're going to go half on the right, that's going to be 2,100. The height of the two towers are 746 foot tall. It's 746 foot tall, but it tells you that is 220 feet from the water, okay? So remember, from here to here is 746 foot tall. So that means if we minus 220 feet from the water, the bridge from the roadway, the height of the towers that is, from the roadway to the top is only 526. So that allows us to have some information to write. This is a parabolic shape, which is a quadratic. So you have two ways, okay, to write an equation for a quadratic. The first one is in standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. A second is going to be your vertex form, whichever is easier for us to use, and that's what we will use. As you can see, the vertex form is the easiest because vertex is 0, 0. So that allows us to say, okay, h and k are both going to be 0 since they will disappear. So it really is just now simplified down to y equals ax squared. We need to solve for a, which is the leading coefficient. So we are going to go in and use one of these order pairs. We can use the right order pair or the left order pair. So x is 2,100. So y is 526 students equals a times 2,100 squared. Divide both sides by a. So a is going to be 526 divided by 2,100 squared. It's not the end result, so I don't need to simplify this yet. I'm just going to go and fill that in my equation. Y equals a, which is now known, 526 divided by 2,100 squared times x squared. All right, so now we need to find the answer to find the height of the cable at a distance of 1,000 feet from the center. Well, we have the equation. From the center, it's going to be an x distance away. So we're just going to go in and plug in 1,000 for x and then square that value. So y equals 526 divided by 2,100 square times 1,000 square. Go ahead and take out your calculator and see if you can give me an answer. So it says, find the height of the cable at a distance of 1,000 feet from the center. So did you find the answer? Did you guys get 119 feet? Okay, hopefully we have matching answers here.